If you want a treat, you ask for one. Conversation is like neural signaling. It's a quick way to get a message across to one or two people. But what if a more far-reaching signal is needed? When an airplane is about to encounter turbulence, instead of telling each passenger individually, the pilot broadcasts an announcement throughout the plane. Hormones are a lot like a pilot's announcements. They broadcast information throughout the body. These chemical signals diffuse from one cell to another over long distances to potentially reach all the cells. Just as all airline passengers may not respond the same way to an announcement from the pilot, all the body cells won't respond the same way to the message announced by a hormone. Hormonal signals are usually delivered by the circulatory system, where they are carried to all parts of the body. Although the signal may be far-reaching, only certain cells may receive and act on it. Cells that respond to a hormonal signal have specific receptors for that particular hormone. These cells are called target cells. One hormone can cause different responses in different types of target cells. For example, the same hormone may cause one type of cell to contract, another to secrete, and another to divide. The study of hormones is called endocrinology. Strictly speaking, an endocrine hormone is a chemical signal that's secreted into the bloodstream from a gland without ducts, an endocrine gland. But as we'll see, not all hormones are secreted from glands, and some don't ever reach the bloodstream. Instead, they might travel short distances in the fluid between cells. To survive, organisms must be able to sense changes in their external and internal environments and respond accordingly. The nervous system coordinates activities like movement, which require specific and rapid responses that take place within seconds. Hormones integrate more inclusive and slower responses that may take place within minutes, hours, or days. Hormones coordinate the activities of all the body's cells, from the maintenance of homeostasis to the timing of the events of reproduction and development. Important cues from the environment, such as day length, temperature, and danger signals, can be translated into hormonal messages that help organisms respond. A special class of hormones, the pheromones, send signals between individuals of the same species. Sexual attractants are the best studied pheromones, but there are many others. Silk moths secrete a pheromone called bombicol. Male silk moths will follow the path of bombicol up its concentration gradient for several miles to find a female. The man shown here has a queen bee under his chin. She is releasing pheromones to promote swarming. His bee beard is the result.